If you have either too much or too little weight on your tow ball, it can make your trailer unstable on the highway. I've already reduced some of the weight on the ball by moving the axle forward a little bit, but I need to shed about another 40 kilos. I'm going to shift the boat back a little bit on the trailer and then move the winch post back a corresponding amount. It's generally accepted that if you have a single axle trailer, you need about 10% of the weight of the total combined weight of your trailer and your boat on the ball. If you've got a dual axle trailer, you've got a little bit more margin for error, and about 5 to 10% seems to be accepted. Thanks for watching. You can subscribe and get more tips.